we learned that a C major chord is best to improvise with a Lydian. Okay, so how about minor chord? So we have a C minor chord and a C minor 7 and a C minor 9 and a C minor 11 and a C minor 13. So when we have a D F A here and we put it back to a D F A here, so what is the mood that we are having? We are having a C Dorian mode. So I will suggest you to improvise with a C Dorian. So when you're having a C minor or the C minor 7 or even C minor 9, it's good to improve with a Dorian. So let's try it together. We are doing the same thing, a 32 bars of improv. I'm gonna play the 4 bars and you're gonna follow with the next 4 bars. If you want to learn improvisation, play song by ear, style transformation, fancy accompaniment, playing without music sheet, composition and arrangement, you can sign up for our PPT Pop Piano Technology course at the link below. This is a course that teaches you the knowledge and skills of how to play the music from scratch. Even if you don't have sheet music, you can improvise freely and become a true improvisation master. Enter the following discount code to register and enjoy the following course discount. You can try to practice few more times with the backing tracks provided. So practice at least 3 or more to have a better idea. Enjoy! If you like our teaching and you have learned something, please help us to click the like button in just 1 second. If you want to learn more, leave a message, tell us what you would like to learn. Remember to subscribe our channel and you won't miss the future lesson. See you in the next lesson.